Today we will be learning about halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of alkane एक बहुत important chapter है and it almost contributes to 8 to 10% of your marks. इसमें एक important topic है that is classification of halogen derivatives of alkanes. Halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are classified mainly into two ways. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which the halogen atom is bonded, the halogen derivatives are classified as haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarenes. So, अगर halogen atom is attached to an alkane carbon, it will be called as haloalkane. अगर वो CH2 double bond CH यानी अगर if it is attached to an alkene, it will be called as haloalkene. If it is attached to benzene ring, it will be called as haloarene. Okay, so this is one type of classification. Second, on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached to the hydrocarbons. So अगर एक halogen atom attached है, then it will be called as monohalogen derivatives of alkane. अगर दो halogen atom attached है, it will be called as dihalogen derivatives of alkane. वैसे ही अगर if it is 3 then it would be trihalogen derivatives of alkane. Okay. Now there is one more way of classification of halogen derivatives of alkane. In this, the monohalogen compounds are further classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and the type of hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen is attached. In alkyl halides or haloalkanes, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So, the carbon atom is a saturated carbon and hence it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Alkyl halides may be primary, secondary or tertiary depending on the substitution state of the carbon to which the halogen atom is attached. Now, allylic halides. In allylic halides, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon double bond. Halogen atom जिस कार्बन को अटैच्ड होगा वो तो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड होगा, but that carbon is again attached to a CH double bond CH2. Okay. Now there is also a benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. So यहाँ पे आपको डायग्राम में वो दिखेगा. Okay. Then the fourth, vinylic halides. In vinylic halides, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. Vinylic halide is a haloalkene. Now haloalkyne, here the halogen atom is attached to a carbon which is sp hybridized carbon atom which is a triple bonded carbon atom. And the last we have aryl halides. In aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring as it is shown in the figure. Do like, share and subscribe my video and please watch out for the next.